Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to explain you about a very unique career, that is SEO Executive. Who can become an SEO Executive? Anybody, not only BTech or engineering students but also a BCom, BA, BSc Science, or any graduate, anybody who is a graduate, or in some case even undergraduate students, people who have long career gap means after college they did not work, they have 3 years or 5 years of gap and now they want to start their career. Even those kind of career gap people can also become an SEO executive. Watch this video till the end because you will get a clear idea what exactly is this SEO executive career. You will get a clear idea. I will explain the job roles and responsibilities also in this video. Now, SEO executive is the designation. SEO stands for search engine optimization. SEO is a part of digital marketing or online marketing. Few people also called it as internet marketing, online marketing. Everything is the same: digital marketing, online marketing, internet marketing. Now, SEO, search engine optimization, is a part of, or it is a strategy of digital marketing, a small part of digital marketing. What happens in SEO is candidates who are SEO executives, they work on a website and they bring the website to the first page of Google search result page. Understand, when we search something in Google, we see some result page, right? Google result page, search result page. Now, to get a website, a business website, to the first page of Google search result page, there is a very lengthy process. That process is called as SEO or search engine optimization. A candidate who does this, bringing a website to the first page of Google search result page, that candidate's designation or his job is named as SEO executive. Few companies, they also give the designation like SEO analyst, SEO expert, SEO specialist. So these kind of designations can also be given, but actually the core work will be the same: getting a website to the first page of Google search result page. Now, is it that easy to get a website to the first page of Google search result page? No, it is not easy. It is a very lengthy process. Sometimes it takes 6 months, sometimes in some cases, business cases, it takes 1 year or 2 years also to get a website to the first page of Google search result page, business website to the first page. It is a very lengthy process. Why SEO is important in today's world? Because if a business website shows up in Google search result page, the first page of Google search, then there will be very high possibility of that website getting more number of website visitors, and as a result of that more number of website visitors, there will be a high chance of getting more number of sales, more number of conversion. That is the reason SEO is also a very important part in digital marketing or online marketing. Now, because digital marketing is in hype, SEO is also in demand. That is the reason SEO expert or SEO executive, that designation, that job role is also in demand these days. Now, as I told, who can become an SEO expert or SEO executive? Anybody. Not only MBA, not only BTech or engineering candidates, but anybody, even a BA, BCom, BSc science background, BZC, botany, zoology, chemistry, anybody, any graduate, or in some cases even the undergraduate students can also learn this skill SEO and they can apply in companies. So that is how this career is, SEO executive is very good career for people who have career gap, people who have 5 years or more than 5 years of career gap. If they want to start their career, they can learn this skill and they can start their career. Now, what are the skills required to become an SEO executive? Definitely you have to understand the strategies. You have to learn SEO from somewhere, maybe a good trainer, a good training institute. You have to learn this skill. Second thing is you should also have a good understanding of Google, how Google works, how the Google updates, what are the new version of the Google algorithm. All these things also you should have a good understanding of. You also should have a good understanding of social medias, how social media can be used for SEO purpose. Social medias like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, these kind of social media network, how we can use them. You should have a good idea about that also. You also should have good idea about content marketing. So all these are the skills. As I told, you should have skill number 1 is SEO. You have to know SEO. Second, you should also have a good idea about Google. Third is you should also have the skills like how to use social media. The next skill is you should have good idea about content marketing, how to create content and how to market the content to the target audience. All these are the skills. Eligibility I have already explained you. So this is how SEO executive job roles and responsibilities will be. Usually a SEO executive, he will be working on multiple projects, and every day he will be working on his projects to making sure the website, the business is showing up on the first page of Google. That is the responsibilities an SEO executive will be working on. Now, how is the future? Definitely good. If you want to become an SEO executive, you can't stop your career to this one skill only. Once you start your career as SEO executive, maybe after 1 year or after 6 months, you should upgrade yourself with new skills like social media marketing, like Google ads, or email marketing, affiliate marketing, different skill set. You have to keep on upgrading yourself. That will definitely add value to your profile or to your resume. That is another thing. What will be the salary for an SEO executive? In multinational companies or a bigger organization, you can expect your salary like the basic salary can start from 25,000 rupees per month. But in a smaller organization, minimum to minimum, your salary can start from 15,000 rupees. This also depends on the city you are applying. For example, in Hyderabad, the salaries may be different than the salaries in Bangalore or Pune or Chennai, Noida, anywhere else. So depending on the city also, the salaries may differ. So this is how SEO career is designed. So these were the job roles and responsibilities for a SEO executive or SEO analyst profile. So if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you have any questions related to SEO executive career, or if you want me to speak about any other career, put your questions in the comment section of this video, and I will definitely reply you. And share this video with your WhatsApp friends also. Let your friends also who have career gap or who are into totally different stream, but they want to get into some cool job, very good IT kind of job, then you can share with those friends. You can share this video on WhatsApp as well. So that was all about this video. My name is Sushmita. Thank you so much and namaste.